Rough Country's new wheel-to-wheel Nerf Steps provide unrelenting style and easier access to your Jeep. These steps extend from one wheel well opening to the next, offering a clean install that lends to the look of your lifted JL. Before you begin installation, review the included instructions and verify that you have all the required parts and hardware before proceeding. You'll also want to verify that you have all the proper tools before disassembling your vehicle. To begin installation, find both the driver and passenger side steps. Note, the forward steps on each side will be the furthest from the end of the main tube. Starting with the driver's side step, carefully raise up into position and align the brackets with the factory mounting points. Start one end of the supplied hex head flanged bolt and washer, starting with the center bracket in the factory threaded hole and leave loose. Start two black zinc flanged bolts and flanged nuts in the pinch weld and leave loose for final adjustment. Continue installing the rest of the hardware in the remaining brackets and leave loose. Adjust the Nerf step where the main bar is level with the body of the vehicle. First, tighten all the hardware that attaches the bracket to the pinch weld of the vehicle. Next, tighten all the hardware that attaches the bracket to the upper body mount. Repeat these steps for the passenger side of the vehicle. As you can see, these steps can be installed on any vehicle with or without a body lift. Our innovative design actually hides any exposed frame you see under the Jeep, offering extra protection for your rocker panels. Have questions? Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.